Hello everyone. Tonight I'm going to do another straight pour. I'm covering another canvas. I have several of these that had these paint nodules everywhere, and I just kind of stashed them away. So I'm running short on canvases and I need to re-pour these anyway, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, let's run through my paints. This is Artist Loft White with satin enamel in it, and about 2 tablespoons, and the rest is Floetrol. The spoon stands up in it, but it is free-flowing, and it does mound upon mound, and it leaves a trace and then disappears. So those are your criterias. This is 24 karat, sorry, Deco Arts 24 karat gold, extreme sheen, mixed with glorious gold, and I mixed probably an ounce of this into here. It gave a beautiful deep gold color to it. It's not quite as bright, it's more, I don't know, regal. Okay, and this is Deco Arts Berry, just straight. My gold seems a little bit thick after stirring that one and this one. This is Deco Arts Emerald, and I added a little bit of black to it because I wanted it deep, deep, deep. And actually that was obsidian. It's got a lot of silver in it from Deco Art. This is a mixture of ice blue from Extreme Sheen, grab it, Deco Art, Extreme Sheen Ice Blue. You can see that it's quite dark. Well, maybe not. But I added an ounce of Arteza's silver into this, and it made this gorgeous, gorgeous color. I love it. I will do it with, it was closer to sapphire, and now it's closer to the ice because that silver really pops. Anyway, I like it. This is Deco Art Sapphire, and I again added, probably 3/4, I don't know, I added a spoon, a heaping spoon like this, of that obsidian into it. Because this, a lot of these metallics have a silver base, and so adding something that darkens it but has a silver base also keeps the sheen up. And then we have Sargent Arts Light Aquamarine, and it's very purplish, so I'm using it as a purple. And it seems a little thick to me too. Anyway, okay. So, let's make our cup. A little bit of white. Blue, woo. Gold. Some white. Let's do this ice blue. This is such a vibrant, pretty color. A little bit of gold. This green. And this paper towel. gold, white. Oh, I didn't put my red in there. I'll have it here. I don't know. Darn it. I don't have much left of this gold. But I am going to overspill the edge, so we have to stop. Okay. I don't need a very big puddle. Okay. Yeah. Here we go. Whew. Well, I was wandering one night. Whew. Sorry. When you have asthma and you hold your breath, you can't catch it again real quick. And I was holding my breath and concentrating. When you breathe, your hand literally moves. I want to just move this a little bit. Kind of stretch it just a tiny bit so I can get some of these air bubbles to pop and ramp those cells. My orientation is a little weird. That's better. Okay. I'm just bringing up the bubbles. I put my fingers up under and hold that canvas taut so that when I bang it, it vibrates the paint and brings those bubbles up, because I don't want them in there. And when they come up, they can bring other colors with it. And that's what you want. You want them cells. So, I bang my canvas. And believe it or not, see, it works. My paints are generally, at least the white, is almost always just made. And since you use quite a bit of white and gold in your pieces, you whip a lot of bubbles. At least I do. I whip a lot of bubbles into my paint. And so, anyway, I'm going to give it a minute because I just see a bazillion of them. I don't want to cook my paint, but I do want to pop them. So I'm going to give it a minute, let it rest, and I'll spread my white and I'll be right back. Okay, got my white spread and we're ready to stretch. I'm going to go here first. A bunch of bubbles just popped. It was like snow. Okay. I want my paint to move at the same rate in the center. Otherwise it gets all distorted. It's kind of hard because you're keeping an eye on the center and the edges and the pinnacle point. It's a lot to concentrate on at one time. I've got something under my paint. I'm not sure where now. I don't know what it was. Some strangeness. piece of fiber or something. Okay. Let's bring it down. I've got some really pretty cells down there, so I do want to preserve them as much as possible. I'm going to go to this side first. Oh. That red turned pink, which is odd because I didn't put it next to white intentionally so it wouldn't turn pink. It's okay. It looks alright. Come in and doctor my little corners. Like so. Let's see where my paint is. Something keeps catching my eye. I'm not sure if there's something under that paint or not, but it keeps catching my eye. That's very pretty. I wish I could have gotten these open a little bit more. This one's really cool. It twists like that. It's pretty neat. I don't know. I mean, I like it. I just really wish I could open this up a little bit more, but I almost wish I hadn't put that berry in, except for it's so pretty right here. It's almost like a braid. And here we are. I'm going to do a shot like this. And we're going to come up above. Okay. Now here's the sky, and it's just filled with little floating meteors or something. This the entire sky. And then it's this strangeness here. And then, well, let's come down the side. I'm going to show you this. Look at how pretty that is. Look at that, almost looks like a braid. It's really interesting. Then all this here. It's hard for me to see. This is the part where I wanted to open it up a little bit more. I was able to open it up some, and I got this pretty little doodad here, which I think is way cool. And then we'll move up. And there's the center. real pretty. It just didn't open up exactly how I wanted it to. That sky is amazing. Okay, please like, share, subscribe, do all that stuff. And I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.